How to add people in Telegram. Are you guys facing issues to add people on Telegram? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Telegram on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on the contact icon. Once you click on it, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the plus icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, now you need to write down their phone number. Once you write down their phone number, you need to write their name so that you can remember them easily. Once you fill up the details, simply click on create. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add people on Telegram. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.